Welcome to my channel. Brother printer driver not working? Easy guide. Step 1. Restart your devices. Start by restarting both your brother printer and computer. A simple reboot often clears temporary driver glitches and restores the connection. What to do? Turn off the printer, shut down your computer, wait for 30 seconds, turn both devices back on, try printing a test page. Step 2. Check the printer connection, make sure the USB cable is securely connected, or verify that your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. What to do? Check the USB cable, try another USB port, verify the Wi-Fi connection, ensure both devices use the same network, check the printer status. Step 3. Remove the old driver. If the driver is corrupted, uninstall it from your computer and restart your PC. What to do? Open installed apps, find the brother driver, click uninstall, restart your PC, remove old driver files. Step 4. Install the latest driver, download and install the newest brother printer driver for your printer model. What to do? Download the latest driver, select the correct printer model, run the installer, complete the installation, restart your computer. Step 5. Set the printer as default. Set your brother printer as the default printer so all print jobs are sent to the correct device. What to do? Open printer settings, select your brother printer, click set as default, save the changes, print a document. Step 6. Check the print spooler. Restart the print spooler service to clear stuck print jobs and refresh the printing system. What to do? Open services, find print spooler, click restart, clear stuck print jobs, print again. Step 7. Update your operating system, update Windows or macOS to improve compatibility with the latest brother printer driver. What to do? Open Windows Update, check for updates, install available updates, restart your PC, test the printer. Step 8. Disable security software temporarily. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall if it blocks the printer driver during installation. What to do? Pause your antivirus, disable the firewall temporarily, install the driver, restart the PC, turn security back on. Step 9. Test another USB port or Wi-Fi. Try another USB port or reconnect your printer to Wi-Fi. A connection issue can sometimes look like a driver problem. What to do? Try another USB port, replace the USB cable, reconnect to Wi-Fi, check the signal strength, print a test page. Step 10. Reinstall the driver completely. If the issue continues, remove the current driver and install the latest version with a clean setup. What to do? Remove the current driver, restart your computer, download a fresh copy, install the driver, print a test page. Thanks for watching.